Hey guys, so I just wanted to know what is your favorite hair accessory? My favorite, I must say, is a scrunchie. A scrunchie is lightweight, it's quick, you can just put your hair up in a bun, you can put it in a pony, you can do anything, and this is like the best go-to for me. And obviously the Bassimb scrunchie is the best because it has a little charm, and I'm a glitter type of girl. I love jewelry. I love to look a little fancy even when it comes to my hair, so this is my go-to. If I'm not doing a scrunchie, I will do a accessory clip just because my hair is layered, it's curly. I'm transitioning to my curls, so I'm not straightening it anymore. There's shorter pieces, I like to control it with a clip, or everyone knows, bobby pins. Bobby pins are my best friend. I have a gazillion of these and I cannot find any on certain days. So this is my three go-tos: scrunchie, bobby pin, and a fun little clip. So let me know, what is your favorites? A lot of girls that I do know go-tos are turbans. Turban is the new in thing. So let's say you're having a bad hair day or you just don't want to deal with your hair. You put your hair in a turban, you put some good makeup on, and you're out the door. So everyone has their own preference. I would like to know what your preference is, and just give me some feedback. I would love to find out what your go-tos are. Another thing, y'all, I got my wisdom tooth pulled, and I'm speaking like a little robot because it hurts so bad, and I'm still a little swollen. Who's gotten their wisdom teeth pulled also? Like, that is an experience that I will never forget. And as you can see, I'm healing slowly, but I just wanted to let you girls know, and guys, this is life. You have to keep moving, keep pushing, keep working, keep asking questions. It just keeps moving. So even with the wisdom tooth pulled, I'm still about this life and these accessories and Bassimb, and like, keep your main focus, which is yourself, your business, and well, for me, it's my business. So let me know what your feedback is, and I would love to hear what your go-tos are. Thanks for watching.